Hey there YouTube, this is George with J.E.V Automotive, and today we are bringing you a series of videos on a no start. So we are actually working today on a 2004 Volkswagen Jetta 1.8. The vehicle came in with a no start condition, and we're going to take you guys step by step on how we're going to diagnose this no start, whether if it's mechanical, fuel, or spark. So let's see what's going on first with this vehicle. We are having this really elongating crank. It actually isn't even going fast. More than likely right now, the battery is probably low voltage. I'm gonna put on a jumper on it. The way this motor turns and it's cranking, to me it sounds like there's no compression. We could possibly have some kind of internal damage. So we're gonna confirm that. Right now, my hunch is I wanna do a compression test, and I'm also gonna remove the upper timing belt cover to make sure that the timing belt is still on this car. Yep, that spark plug does not look good. Well, I do see the belt. The belt is still on there. That's a good sign. We might have either an upper timing chain problem. These 1.8s have a chain adjuster, hydraulic adjuster in the back, and when they fail, you know, the chain could either break or jump teeth and just make a mess in there. So let's start with number one. Two. Ready? Yeah. Put your hands. Here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Hands.
Yeah. Yep.
You guys just saw our compression test for this vehicle. We have no compression on 2 cylinders, 3 cylinders. 3 cylinders we got 0. On 1 we had like about 25 pounds of pressure. The bad news is that there's either something going on with the valve train or the bottom end. If you had good compression in your vehicle and there was still no start, the next 2 steps to check would be make sure you're getting spark, and then make sure you're getting good fuel pressure. Now this vehicle ran before this. What the client said was that he heard a rattling, turned the car off, turned it off, and the rattling went away, and then he kept driving it until the car just turned off on him. You know, we got the okay to tear this down and figure out what's going on. So this is gonna make a great video for you guys, all right? So the next step I'm gonna do is we're gonna remove the valve cover. What I wanna do when I remove the valve cover is we wanna put the engine on top dead center, and we gotta make sure that the marks are where they're supposed to be, and we wanna see where the camshafts are. But I have a feeling we're gonna find out something when we remove the valve cover. All right, guys, so here we go. All right, guys, I think this is gonna end part one of our VW no start. We've gotten to the portion of removing the valve cover. We have no compression on all the cylinders, and what I was expecting to find was here. Let's see if we can see it. This is the chain that connects both cams, intake cam and the exhaust cam, and it times it together. What I was expecting to find is this guide rail on the chain tensioner broken, or even nothing to be there, which would cause this chain to have some flop, which would then cause the chains to go out of time. So, but right now, to my surprise, they're still there. The next step that we have to do is we gotta see if the vehicle's in time. The timing belt, I was able to, once we had the valve cover off, I was able to slide out the cover. The timing belt's still on there. There's good tension on the belt. So I know that that's not what jumped. I'm still suspecting the car went out of time, which caused the valves to bend. All right, guys. This is our part one of the 2004 VW Jetta no start. We already know that we have zero compression. We pull the valve cover. We do see that the chain is still on there. And part two, we're gonna need to check for the timing. So we're gonna put the car on time, and that will confirm if we're gonna have to go. We're gonna have to basically probably pull the head off on this thing. So we'll continue there. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll be back for part two.